Alpha has been in the traffic industry for about 25 years. One of the longest players in the industry. We're part of Intersys, which is a large company which has been around and had roots for over 100 years, making products for telecom, broadband, batteries for aerospace, medical, data centers, and even rail.
Alpha is really the leader in the UPS, uninterruptible power supply market. And what we're doing is we're adding the remote communication aspect to it so that the customer can get all of that information at their fingertips.
The opportunity to work with someone like Applied Information is just a great thing for us, and we're very, very excited about it. Having the UPS and the backup and the support of an Alpha FXM to support your intersection should there be an outage is extremely important. But if you don't know that that intersection is without power, without some sort of equipment from Applied Information to relay that information back to the main office, you're not going to know what's happening. You're not going to be able to address the situation.
So when the power actually fails, what happens is they get a text message and an email message, and now they can actually call the utility company. So it gives them that amount of time to actually get the power restarted.
On a longer term basis, it avoids having to roll a truck to go out there and check on the status of the cabinet, to check on the status of the batteries, to check on the status of the utility or the UPS itself, or any of the other ancillary equipment inside the box. And so it's a huge opportunity for cost savings, for time savings, and you can have your technicians working on things that are broken as opposed to sending technicians out to see if something is broken.
Now you can get all the information from traffic signals, from battery backups, cameras, all of that information is at your fingertips.
It's very important to monitor your applications and certainly your batteries. Batteries do have a finite life of several hours, and you certainly don't want your intersection that you've backed up to go dark. So it's extremely important that there is quality communication, reliable communication to know what the status is.
No one ever wants to go to site and then figure out, oh man, if only I brought that battery with me, then I could have solved the issue. Now I've got to drive back, pick up the battery, and then drive all the way back again. We're going to save the traffic engineers a huge amount of time by marrying these two systems together so that they know exactly what the fault is at site.
When we have these remote applications, we oftentimes don't have access to other communications, and a lot of them aren't very accessible by vehicle. In mountains of California, things like that, there really is no way to get up there. The opportunity to know what's going on inside that cabinet without that level of effort to go check on a cabinet that may just be fine. And if you could do that remotely in the comfort of the cab of your truck, or even better at the main office, that would be a huge advantage for all of us.